Most people get this wrong. They think language learning apps are all similar, but the surprising truth is that Beelinguapp uses a unique dual language reading method that really helps with comprehension and retention. Today, I'll share my experience using the app. Beelinguapp lets you read stories, news, and books side by side in your native language and your target language. You won't believe what happens next. The text is paired with audio narrated by native speakers, which is excellent for pronunciation and listening practice. You can follow along in your own time, and it supports dozens of languages from Spanish and French to Korean and Russian. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. You can adjust text size, enable audio highlighting, and bookmark stories. While some content is free, a premium subscription unlocks more books, removes ads, and allows offline access. The surprising truth is that reading while listening in two languages helps your brain associate words faster than traditional methods. It's especially helpful for intermediate learners who want to improve fluency without feeling overwhelmed by grammar drills. In conclusion, Beelinguapp is a great tool for learners who want to combine reading and listening practice. It's user-friendly, versatile, and offers engaging content. If you're serious about language learning, it's worth trying. Subscribe for more language learning app reviews to help you reach fluency faster.